We are in our test room here at Hertz Machine. Today we'll be testing a 656 transmission of an international tractor. This is the same test stand. We test transmissions from a 544, 656, 666, Hydro 70, and Hydro 86. Right here is your servo pressure test port. Underneath this 4-bolt cover is where you adjust your servo pressure. Right here is the test port for your charge pressure. And over here is your gauges we have hooked up here. This one is your charge pressure, your servo pressure, and this here is a drive pressure. And we would continue to do this till the oil was above operating temperature. And we check for leaks and make sure all the pressures are set before you receive it. This remanufactured transmission also includes our remanufactured charge pump. So if you got any questions on how we do this, or if yours is acting up, give us a call here at 785-325-2875.